In many production facilities, oil mist isn't just an issue. It can pose a serious challenge. Metalworking processes such as cutting, milling, and drilling release fine droplets of oil and coolant, which can impact employee health, workplace safety, maintenance cost, and operational efficiency. The QleanAir FS 70 oil mist is developed to tackle the challenges with oil mist that is spread throughout the facility. It can be used as a secondary air filtration solution to complement an existing point suction solution installed on the metal process machines. It can also function as the sole solution in facilities with older machines, where no point suction solution is available or possible. Equipped with a multi-stage filtration including a metal mesh filter in the front, oil mist droplets are effectively separated. The integrated drainage system in the filter collects separated oil at the bottom of the filter, reducing cleaning costs and the risks of accidents. QleanAir FS 70 oil mist provides a flexible solution to oil mist challenges, customizable to your facility's needs. It improves air quality, enhances work safety, increases cost efficiency, and reduces the company's environmental impact. Learn more at QleanAir.com.